In today's video, I will be talking about 7 fishes from their common names to family name, scientific name, and the names Yoruba call them. If you are a student or a fish farmer or someone like me that is always curious in getting knowledge in one way or the other, you will stick to the end of this video. I'm Bamidele Ayemikun. You are welcome to Aqua Market 7, your go-to channel for aquaculture tips, market insights, success story, and ways to be more productive in fish farming business. So, if today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. And for our returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. Be aware that the names of these 7 common fish we are talking about today can sound so funny and difficult, but please do well to check the video description to see the correct spelling of the names of the 7 common fish we are talking about today. African catfish is what we'll be talking about today. That is the first in our list. The common name is African catfish. The family name of African catfish is Clariidae. The scientific name of African catfish is Clarias Gariepinus, and the Yoruba name of African catfish is what I call Eja Aro. And believe with me that Yoruba give names to things maybe due to their sound, to their function, their spiritual belief or society belief, and even to their appearance. The second fish on our list is Vundu catfish. That is the common name, Vundu catfish. This fish is raised in the wild, grows in the wild, and maybe due to the size of this fish, Yoruba give it a name that works with the size, the appearance of the fish. The family name of this Vundu catfish is still Clariidae because it's still from the family of catfish. That is why it remains Clariidae. The scientific name of this Vundu catfish is Heterobranchus longifilis, while the Yoruba name of this Vundu catfish is Eja Aro Nla. The number 3 fish we'll be talking about in our list is hybrid catfish. Remember that hybrid catfish is the combination of Clarias Gariepinus, which is African catfish, and Vundu catfish, which is Heterobranchus longifilis. The combination uh, of both fish in insemination now give birth to hybrid catfish. It's still from the family of Clariidae because it's a catfish. It's from the family of catfish, but the scientific name of this hybrid catfish is Heteroclaris, while the Yoruba name of this hybrid catfish is Eja Aro Nla. The number 4 fish we'll be talking about in our list is Tilapia. That is the common name of the fish, Tilapia fish, while the family name of Tilapia fish is Cichlidae, and the scientific name of Tilapia fish is Orechromis Niloticus, and the Yoruba name of Tilapia fish is Epia, while some people also call it Epia. The difference between Epia and Epia is the alphabet in between them. Epia is Epia, while the other spelling is Epiaya. You see that why is the difference between them, but they are still the same and they also sound the same. The number 5 fish we are talking about in our list is African Aruwana, and this comes from the family of Arapanidae, while the scientific name of this African Aruwana is Heteroclaris Niloticus, and the Yoruba name of this fish is Okan. The number 6 fish we'll be talking about in our list is sea croaker. That is the common name of the fish, sea croaker. The family name of this sea croaker fish is Sciaenidae, and the scientific name of this sea croaker fish is Pseudotilithus Elongatus, and the Yoruba name of this African Aruwana is Ajede. They call it Ajede. Maybe the fish feeds on crayfish because Ajede means eating crayfish. I think the fish feed on crayfish. That is why Yoruba people call it Ajede. The last fish we'll be talking about in our list is puffer fish, and the family name of puffer fish is Tetraodontidae. Tetraodontidae. And the scientific name of this puffer fish is Tetraodon linatus. Tetraodon linatus. While the Yoruba name of this puffer fish is Okun. Maybe they give a name to this puffer fish due to the way it swell, just like a frog. If you've learned one or two things from this video, please do well to like this video, comment, share and subscribe. And if you find any part of this video difficult for you, please do well to make use of the comment section, write the problem, and I will share more light in my next video. Thank you for watching till this far. See you in my next video.